I get asked this all the time, which home improvements pay off and which ones don't. As disappointing as this may be, most home improvements will not give you a dollar per dollar return on investment. But some will, and I've got the latest list for you. I'm Robin Taylor, and this is Real Estate with Robin. According to the National Association of Realtors, the top project that will give you the highest return on your investment is refinishing your hardwood floors. Homeowners recouped 147% of what they spent. In dollars, the cost to refinish the floors was roughly $3,400, with a return of about $5,000. New wood flooring is another good investment, typically earning a 118% return on investment. For example, if you spend $5,000, you'll likely get back $6,500 in return. Upgrading your insulation isn't an exciting project, but you'll likely break even, and you won't have a drafty house in the winter. There were multiple projects that gave homeowners a 10 on the joy scale, which is important too, such as painting the entire interior of the house, adding a new home office, or doing a closet renovation. On the exterior, both roofing and new garage doors were good expenditures, with homeowners recouping 100% of their costs. While no exterior projects scored a 10 on the joy scale, painting the exterior of the house and putting in new windows scored a 9. Here are some top projects that are very rewarding on the joy scale, even if they aren't so rewarding financially. Finishing the basement is another good one. Homeowners are seeing an 86% return on their initial investment. So is finishing an attic with a 75% return. A complete kitchen renovation is a big project and certainly one that will give you a 10 on the joy scale. But the return on the investment is only 75%. Upgrading the kitchen produces a 67% return. Another popular project is a bathroom renovation. It will certainly give you joy, but the return is only 71%. Upgrading the laundry room is another project that made people happy. They found the top reason for making home improvements was a need to replace worn-out features. After remodeling, the vast majority of homeowners were happy with the money they spent, with 84% saying they wanted to spend more time in their home. So here's my take. If you plan to stay in your home, make the improvements. Do what makes you happy. Don't concentrate on what other people think. It's silly to live your life that way. It's not all about the money. It's about what brings you joy. If you plan to sell, then focus on the projects that have the highest return on investment. I'm Robin Taylor, and this is Real Estate Done Right.